Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then I'm Sushmita and you're watching Indian Beauty Queen channel. Today in this video I'm going to show how you can make your own DIY eyebrow gel at home. So from quite few days I'm getting a lot of requests to make this video. So today I'm going to show how you can make this a DIY. So if you are new here, then do subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. To prepare this eyebrow gel, you need eyeshadow palette. Choose the colors which looks natural to our eyebrows. Here I am using both these colors from this palette. And finally you need any hairspray or even you can use any hair gel. Now let's move on to the process. I'm using toothpick to scrap this eyeshadow from the palette. First I'm scrapping this color. It's not black color but it's a kind of dark ash color, you can say. Next, using this brown color eyeshadow, now mix both the powdered eyeshadows once. Next you can add aloe vera gel or any hair gel to this. But I'm using my hairspray. Just you need to add a 1 pump of this hairspray. So just you need to add 1 pump of this. That's it, it's enough. Now give it a good mix. So you can use like this, but I'm going to add some black color eyeshadow powder. So I'm going to scrap this a black color eyeshadow and adding into this. So after adding this black color eyeshadow, again give it a good mix. So finally this is how it looks. Now let us see how it actually works. I will swatch it on back of my hand and show you how it works. Look at the pigmentation, guys. It's really very pigmented and looks more natural as our eyebrow color. So let's see whether it dries quickly or not. So it dries within fraction of seconds, as you can see here. So you can prepare it instantly whenever you want, and if you want to prepare more quantity it may dry quickly. So whenever you want to use it, then you need to add some hairspray and use that. Hope you found this video to be helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified about all my latest beauty updates. So until next video, see you, bye.